If you're looking for the best guitar strap to complete your setup, you've come to the right place. A good guitar strap is essential for any guitarist and should be comfortable, reliable, and stylish. With so many options out there on the market, it can be hard to decide which one is best for you. In this video we'll take a look at some of the highest quality straps available and provide helpful tips for finding the one that's perfect for your style. Our first choice is Levees Leathers M7 GP BLK 2-inch garment leather guitar strap. If you're a musician looking for a comfortable, stylish way to carry your guitar, the Levees Leathers M7 GP BLK 2-inch garment leather guitar strap is an excellent option. This high-quality leather strap has all the features you need to keep your instrument securely in place throughout your performance. With its adjustable length and comfortable padding, this strap will fit any size musician and provide maximum comfort. It also features strong stitched ends with reinforced leather backing for extra durability. Our second choice is Dunlop Jimi Hendrix 2.5-inch mandala guitar strap. Guitarists searching for a strap to give their instrument an extra dose of style and personality need look no further than the Dunlop Jimi Hendrix 2.5-inch mandala guitar strap. Named after one of the greatest guitar players of all time, this strap will bring a touch of rock and roll attitude to any guitar. Our third choice is Jimi Dunlop Guitar Strap, BMF 15BK. Are you looking for the perfect guitar strap to add a bit of style to your performance? Then look no further than the Jimi Dunlop BMF 15BK guitar strap. This stylish and versatile strap is designed to provide comfort, support, and durability for hours of playing. It features heavy-duty nylon construction and easy-to-adjust polypropylene webbing that will hold your instrument securely during performances. Our fourth choice is Fender Artisan Crafted Leather Guitar Strap, 2.5 inches. If you are a guitarist looking to add a bit of style to your performance, the Fender Artisan Crafted Leather Guitar Strap is the perfect choice. It combines sophistication, comfort and quality in one stylish package. Made from premium leather, this 2.5 inches strap provides superior craftsmanship for your instrument. It offers an adjustable length for maximum convenience and is designed with a unique vintage look that will set you apart from the rest. Our last choice is Perris Leather's AWS 1810 Guitar Strap. Are you looking for the perfect guitar strap to complete your look when you take the stage? Look no further. The Perris Leather's AWS 1810 Guitar Strap is a great choice for any guitar aficionado. This 2-inch wide, top-grain leather strap is made from high-grade materials and skillfully crafted for maximum durability. If you are enjoying our video, please subscribe our channel and give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, that is know in the comments section below, and thanks for watching the video.